Online lessons don't have to feel distant or dull. With Rendora's 3D avatars, virtual classes become more engaging, interactive, and easier to follow anytime, anywhere. Good morning, class. Today, we'll be learning about the circulatory system, which is super important for keeping our bodies healthy. The circulatory system moves blood around our body. It has three main parts: the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. Let's break it down. First, the heart. It has four chambers. The right atrium gets blood from the body, which the right ventricle sends to the lungs. The left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs, and the left ventricle pumps it to the body. The heart keeps this cycle going to fuel our body. Next, blood. Blood travels through your body to carry oxygen, nutrients, and remove waste. It has four main parts. Red blood cells carry oxygen to your body. White blood cells fight infections. Platelets help your blood clot when you get a cut. And plasma is the liquid part of your blood that carries all the cells and nutrients. Finally, onto blood vessels. Blood vessels are like highways for blood to travel through your body. There are three main types. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. Veins carry blood back to the heart. Capillaries are tiny vessels where the exchange of oxygen and waste happens. And that's the circulatory system. Your heart, blood, and blood vessels work together to keep you healthy. Great job, everyone, and I'll see you next time. If you want to learn more about how you can make your own 3D videos for free, make sure to subscribe and check out other videos on our website. We will see you in the next one.